if we look at the Bitcoin graph, it's going wild, and it's forming what looks like a rising wedge pattern. And for those of you who don't know what a rising wedge pattern, here's an example. Now, such patterns actually break down most of the time. If you look back here, we actually might see a 64K Bitcoin before a potential breakdown. Closing below this means we're going to have a downtrend within the next few days. I think we will come down to this. This is 48K, and break this, right? I think we'll start to see a new consolidation pattern that would eventually even take us even lower.
PS Crypto here. Hello, everyone. Well, you saw a collection of my previous posts about Bitcoin and the analysis I did. We have pretty much called every single move, starting from before we reached the all-time high. I called a 63, 64K high before a breakdown. I called pretty much Bitcoin. I said Bitcoin was going to touch this moving average and it's going to go sideways. In one of my videos, I said it's going to bounce up to about the 57K level and before it closes down again. And right now, Bitcoin may look scary for a lot of people. We had a pretty scary liquidation event happened. Some would blame Elon Musk. He was a catalyst in the short term, but in reality, this level was almost but certain. If you look at the weekly chart, though, I think we're most certainly going to bounce up from this level right here. Even on the daily chart, you can clearly see some decent support along this level, and we're going to bounce up from this level. The question is, are we going down to 30K? If we do bounce up from this level, I know in one of my previous videos, I did call for 30K. I called for 30K, I think, way back in April when I was talking about Bitcoin dropping from the 64K level. I'm not so sure about that. It's definitely a scenario that's on the table, but for the time being, I think we're bouncing up from this level for sure. I think this is a great buying opportunity here in the short term. As for the long term, this is something that we have to assess. This could be a fake bearish cross that could take us to new highs. So this is something that we have to assess and conclude later. For now, please subscribe. I will keep an eye on this chart. Thank you for watching. Bye.